You need 2 chalkboard displays to set up your A-frame chalkboard display. Line up the hinges on the top of the frames of the 2 chalkboards, and using a drill pilot holes through the holes of the hinges where desired. Use a 1/16 drill bit, drill the screw through the holes of the hinge into your pilot holes. Now repeat this with the other chalkboard display. Drill the screws through the hinges and into the pilot holes to connect the top frames of the 2 chalkboard displays. You can now attach the rubber caps of the bottom of the frame by drilling the screws through the stoppers into the frame with the washers. In the hinge there is a plastic pin. Break the top part of the extruding piece off and place that piece through the hole at the side of the hinges to complete the connection of the hinges. Now take your liquid chalk markers and write any messages you want to share on the plastic board that is UV, scratch, and water resistant.